I quickly want to show you, I quickly want to talk about this channel art, okay? So it's important that you brand your YouTube channel. All you have to do, it's not complicated, go to your Canva and design your YouTube channel art. So when you come to canva.com, again, I'll leave the link in the description. Once you come to Canva, all you have to do is come under templates and then choose YouTube channel art. It will then open this page that you can see right there. So once you're on this page, you can choose one of these artworks. Some are paid, some are free, but let's choose a free one. So what if we choose this one? Okay, so once it has opened, we can say customize this template. So once you're in once you are in Canva, something you have to realize about YouTube channel art or cover photo or header, whatever you want to call it, is that the size, it has 3 different sizes. So it has a size for the TV, which is this entire artwork, and then it has a size for the desktop or laptops, which is the center of this artwork. I'm going to show you shortly. And then it has a size for the mobile. So when you're designing, you have to keep that in mind. What do you want people to see on the mobile? What do you want people to see on the desktop? And what do you want people to see on the TV? Okay? So let me open up the artwork for you. So the image you're seeing right there, it's what I was talking about. So this entire artwork, the whole of it, is the TV display. Okay, so if someone is watching, accessing your YouTube channel via TV, the header will be displayed like this. Okay. However, once they're on the desktop or a laptop, it will be this strip here. As you can see, from the left all the way up to the right here. Okay, just that central strip. Then if they are on a mobile, it will be this red bit here. Okay, so my recommendation would be that when you're designing, make sure that all the important things that you want to be displayed on any platform, be it mobile, be it desktop, be it TV, make sure all that is covered in this red area. Okay, then you can have useless things like images and graphics and whatever in this other area. Okay, that's why when we go back to Canva, you will see that this side all they have put is just graphics, designs and whatever and gradients. However, here in the center you have the brand name, the logo and the tagline. Why? Because this is what is going to appear on mobile. So when someone is viewing this on laptop, still everything will be visible. Again, you can check it out on all the channels. So if you see Digitalpreneur's channel, this will appear on mobile. Okay, this strip here. Okay, where we have our tagline and our logo. And then if you go to Social Media Examiner, they have all these happy faces on the side, but the important information is in the center. Why? Because this will appear on the mobile devices. Okay, so other than that, it has been amazing. I hope you've gotten some value from this video. Until next time, it's Balix from Digitalpreneurs saying hasta la vista. Bye bye.